iguana, broken to pieces, each drifting slowly away.
Didn't remember this.
Then, more than 11 million years ago, the towering island was thrust out of the sea by the eruptive forces of two great volcanoes. Over time, the island eroded and deep valleys were formed. Silt and rocks were carried on wind and rivers, creating the Canterbury Plains, eventually joining the island to the mainland in a rocky embrace. Ocean levels rose, and the ancient volcanic craters flooded with seawater, forming the Akaroa and Littleton harbours. Everywhere, lush green forests, full of towering trees, cloaked the land, and valleys rang with birdsong. Surrounded by ocean, New Zealand had few predators, leaving the forest floor full of birds.
Oh, sorry, Shane.
Birdie.
What was that?
More, I think, one mile. Arrived here more than 700 years ago to this Polynesia, sailing to Wakaholia, great double-hulled canoe, charted by migrating birds, ocean currents, and the stepping stone stars above.
Our whakapapa, our ancestral history, tells of Rākai Hautu, the Waitahachi lit the fires of occupation in this island. In Pūrākau, legend, he carved out the lakes, inlets and rivers of the Waipounamu with his digging stick. We are Ngāti Wheke, a hapu of Ngāi Tahu, sharing mana whenua, authority over Whakaraupo Littleton Harbour, and it is here that Rāpaki has been our home for many centuries. We are the story keepers of this place, even as the winds of change swept upon our shores.
To the people of Europe, Aotearoa, New Zealand, must have seemed astonishing. Some years to try. In December 1850, 4 ships filled with hopeful faces arrived in Littleton Harbour. 4 long months at sea.
Southern ocean storms have been relentless of late. I fear our ship has been blown too far south to make landfall in a timely manner.
So many folks are seasick and poorly. Conditions aboard are terribly trying. It is damp and cramped and smelly. Although we do our best to keep our spirits right.
Last night up on the deck we got the sweetest scent upon the air. The captain says it's the perfume of New Zealand's mud in the forest. He says we only have days away from land.
The local knowledge is given away. People at the
They have so kindly shown me how to grow a sweet potato they call kumara.
and gifted us some fine fresh fish as well.
In return, we are sharing with them abundance
I've
of
been on the
oil.
end.
We've decided to farm sheep here on the Canterbury Plains. They thrive on the native grasses and can endure the harsh winters.
Christchurch in 1851. It is changing almost daily, it seems. There is much activity as roads and buildings are constructed all about.
Over the next 160 years, Christchurch thrived, becoming New Zealand's second largest city. The Canterbury region is a fantastic place to call home, a place where nature and people come together. If retail therapy is your thing, our city is full of delights, from designer labels to artisan creations, culture and breathtaking sights. Experience our kind of wilderness, whether you love the mountains, the land, the water, or simply stargazing. Take it fast, take it easy, and just admire the stunning scenery. And after all that excitement, kick back and enjoy fine dining with an ever-changing view. Canterbury, people going places, and a great place to call home.
May your spirit travel gently as you enjoy our beautiful land. Go well, my friends. Haere rā e hoa mā.